Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Career. In this we're going to compare the anti-benchmark test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes friends, finally is a video comparison between both phones. Let's see how much high temperatures the both phone can actually reach and what will be the CPU and the GPU scores comparison. And this is a test which I'm trying to do after recent Realme UI 3.0 update in the Realme GT Neo 2. And still my unit did not get any kind of Android 12 update. It did not get FunTouch 12 update as well, but few of the users they started to receive update. Unfortunately my device did not get. But let's see friends what's going on with these both phones regarding the anti-benchmark test comparison. And right now both phones are charged 100%. As you can clearly see friends, 100% charged. So let me just disconnect the cable. So I thought of doing this kind of test starting from 100% only exactly to maintain equal results. All the apps are completely clear from the background. And temperature is about 28.2 degrees Celsius and 28.4 degrees Celsius. This is perfect temperatures. As you can see, both phones exactly same temperatures friends. So this is going to be completely even kind of testing. Let me try to open the anti-benchmark test application and start doing the test. So right now the test has been successfully started between these both phones. Now you should be able to see the temperature how it's increasing gradually. So try to observe for a couple of minutes. As you can see clear friends, the temperature I'm trying to show you exactly. The Realme GT Neo 2 started to increase the temperature very faster than the iQOO 7 device, pretty fast. It's increasing 29.2, already it went 29.2, and iQOO 7 is remaining around 28 only, 29.4. You can see the Realme G2 usually it's getting higher temperatures within short amount of time friends in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's what I did observe. So I can be back after some time just to check what is happening overall with the temperatures between these both phones. 30.4 degrees it increased already, 30.6, 30.8. It's increasing little by little the temperatures. 31.2 it increased, 31.2. It's increasing again. 31.4. 29.8 only still it did not cross 30. 31.2. So temperatures are slightly higher in the Realme GT Neo 2. So let's see what's going to happen. I can be back after some time, maybe getting close to 50% of the anti-benchmark test. Then we'll try to discuss more details about the temperatures. This is what my main purpose of making this video regarding the temperatures wise between these both phones. I can be back after some time. Right now as you can see friends, is the benchmark percentage is about 72% and 74%. Let's check out the temperatures. 36.4 degrees Celsius. So 36.4, 36.2. Overall 36.4 is the highest temperatures in the Realme GT Neo 2, and iQOO 7 did went up to 34.4 degrees Celsius. So during this time the Realme GT Neo 2 has got I think slightly 2 degrees higher than the iQOO 7 device, and battery is draining exactly kind of similar, nothing much huge difference with the battery draining, because you can actually observe exactly same kind of battery draining, 99% and 99% between these both phones regarding the battery draining, nothing much major difference. But let's see friends what will happen overall with the benchmark test results after some time. We'll be able to understand exactly. And temperatures wise the Realme GT Neo 2 has got slightly higher temperatures than the iQOO 7 device, 36.4. And the back side, let's check the back side. 33 is the highest on the back side, and on the back side of this phone 33.8. not bad, it's kind of pretty same. I can be back after some time. And here's the score which we got friends, 7,15,000 in the Realme GT Neo 2. Again the phone scored really high, but take a look at the battery percentage. Right now it dropped only 2% in the iQOO 7 device, but 3% dropped in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. That may be because of the Realme UI 3.0 update, but as you can clearly see slightly higher. And you can see the temperature readings as well, 33.2 degrees and 36.3 degrees. So overall close to 3 degrees difference is there between both phones regarding the temperatures wise. You can see 6 and 9 degrees increased exactly. Same time I started, same graph, I mean same percentage I started in the beginning, and right now it's, as you can see the clear results between these both phones. And CPU is higher in the Realme GT Neo 2, 197, 195 and 238 and 239. So CPU and the GPU scores are higher in the Realme GT Neo 2 device at this moment. You can clearly see friends, not bad. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the anti-benchmark test after the recent software update between these both phones. And in case, I mean, recent update which I got November security patch update, but till now I did not get any kind of Android 12 update. I'm really eagerly waiting friends for a very long time. Hopefully I should be able to receive today, or maybe I'm not sure when I'll be getting, maybe tomorrow in the iQOO 7 device. Meanwhile, signing off friends, until then stay tuned for more updates. Bye.